Ito na guys yung aking sausawan. Ayan, ginawa ko to. Vinegar. Hinaluan ko siya ng Pinoy spice. Tuba. Tapos ito na yung aking ukoy. Ayan, yung ukoy ko may ano yan. Yung parang dilis na isda. Fresh, yeah. Saka carrots, onion fresh, garlic, and cilantro, yung green. Ayan guys. Ayan, yummy, yummy. So let's eat. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan, kain na tayo. This is my dinner.